How exactly does GPS tracking technology work? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Saif Shaikh. In today's video, we are going to talk about how GPS tracking technology works. GPS tracking is everywhere these days, from our cars to our phones to our fitness tracker. But how does it actually work? This video will discuss the basics of GPS technology and explain how it works. What is a GPS tracking system? A tracking system is a device or software that uses GPS technology to track the location of an object or person. Tracking systems are used for various applications, including fleet management, asset tracking, and personal tracking. This system uses the Global Navigation Satellite System (GNSS) network to determine the location of a tracking device. The GNSS network consists of a constellation of satellites that orbit the Earth and transmit signals to tracking devices on the ground. Tracking devices use these signals to calculate their location relative to the satellites. GPS tracking systems are accurate to within a few meters, depending on factors like satellite visibility and signal interference. Types of tracking devices. There are two main types of tracking devices, passive and active. Passive devices store data about their location but don't transmit it in real time. Additionally, passive devices typically have longer battery life than active devices because they don't transmit data constantly. They are often used for tracking vehicles or assets over long periods. Therefore, passive devices are well suited for fleet management and asset tracking applications. On the other hand, active devices transmit data about their location in real time. This data is typically sent to a server where it can be monitored in near real time. Active devices have shorter battery life than passive ones because they constantly transmit data. However, they are well suited for personal tracking and real-time fleet monitoring applications. Additionally, active devices often have more features than passive devices, such as the ability to send alerts or trigger alarms. They also typically have built-in sensors that track speed, acceleration, and temperature. This data can be used to monitor driver behavior or asset conditions. Therefore, active devices are often used in applications where real-time data is needed. How GPS devices work. GPS devices work by determining their location relative to a constellation of satellites in orbit around the Earth. The device uses the signals transmitted by these satellites to calculate its position, speed, and direction. GPS devices typically use the Global Navigation Satellite System (GNSS) network, which consists of a constellation of 31 satellites orbiting the Earth. The GNSS network is maintained by the United States government and is freely available for use by anyone with a GPS device. GPS devices use trilateration to calculate their position. Trilateration is the process of using three or more reference points to determine an object's location. In the case of GPS tracking, the three reference points are the GPS satellites. The GPS device calculates its position by measuring the distance to each satellite and triangulating its location relative to the satellites. GPS systems work by constantly calculating the location of a tracking device relative to a set of GPS satellites. To do this, the system needs four things: a clear view of the sky, unobstructed line of sight to at least 4 GPS satellites, a GPS tracking device, a set of GPS coordinates, latitude and longitude, a source of power, typically a battery. Once these four things are in place, the GPS can determine the location of the tracking device. The system does this by constantly calculating the distance between the tracking device and each satellite. This distance is called a range. The GPS device uses the ranges to triangulate its position relative to the satellites. Additionally, the GPS device can use the satellites to calculate their speed and direction. GPS systems are accurate to within a few meters, depending on factors like satellite visibility and signal interference. This accuracy can be improved by using additional satellites, such as those in the GLONASS or Galileo constellations. Applications of GPS tracking. There are many different applications for GPS devices. Some of the most common applications include fleet management, asset tracking, vehicle tracking, personal tracking, real-time fleet monitoring. Fleet management is the process of optimizing a fleet of vehicles to improve efficiency and productivity. GPS devices are used in fleet management to track the location of vehicles in real time. This information can optimize routes, schedule maintenance, and monitor driver behavior. Additionally, this data can be used to improve fleet safety. Asset tracking is the process of tracking the location of assets in real time. GPS devices are used in asset tracking to track the location of high-value assets, such as vehicles, construction equipment, and portable medical equipment. This information can prevent theft, optimize utilization, and improve customer service. Asset tracking also offers several benefits for fleet management, including the ability to track multiple assets in real time and the ability to monitor asset utilization. Vehicle tracking is the process of tracking the location of a vehicle in real time. GPS devices are used in vehicle tracking to track the location of cars, trucks, and other vehicles. This information can improve fleet management, optimize routes, and prevent vehicle theft. Vehicle tracking also offers several benefits for personal use, including tracking a stolen vehicle or monitoring a teen driver's driving habits. Personal tracking is the process of tracking the location of an individual in real time. GPS devices are used in personal tracking to track the location of children, the elderly, and people with disabilities. This information can improve safety, monitor activities, and provide peace of mind. Personal tracking also offers several benefits for businesses, including tracking employees and monitoring company assets. Real-time fleet monitoring is tracking the location of a fleet of vehicles in real time. GPS devices are used in real-time fleet monitoring to track the location of cars, trucks, and other vehicles. This information can optimize routes, schedule maintenance, and monitor driver behavior. Additionally, this data can be used to improve fleet safety. GPS technology is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of applications. This technology offers several benefits, including tracking the location of assets, optimizing routes, and improving safety. GPS devices are accurate and easy to use, making them an essential part of any fleet management or asset tracking system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel Shaikh for more videos about GPS tracking technology and other tech-related topics. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. Please stay safe and use GPS tracking technology responsibly.